We are the LENE. LENE stands for Learn English and Eat Vietnamese Food. The aim of our work is to provide some YouTube videos to help Vietnamese students to learn English, and as well as to help foreigners to learn Vietnamese cooking. We really hope that you enjoy the video. Hi guys, we are LENE team. We are a group. Camera. A group of friends. Hey guys. Hi. And we're the LENE team. I am the founder. I'm Chào. Oh, sorry. And she's our assistant, my assistant. And Lee. Sub team. Me too. Oh, what's your name? My name is Thao. So we have two Thaos and Lee, and we have a friend today.
I am the guest foreigner today, learning how to cook some Vietnamese food. My name's Andrew, and I'm from England.
May I know your full name, please?
Andrew Dobie.
Andrew Dobie. So Dobie is your family name?
Yeah. So, how much garlic do we need?
We need, I think we need all of this.
The whole bowl?
No, not this one. We're almost finished.
Okay.
So we crush garlic.
Yeah. Crush.
Crush?
Yeah.
How do you spell it?
C-R-U-S-H.
C-R-U-S-H.
S-H. Yeah.
Crush.
Yeah.
Okay.
You are so charming.
And then we chopped it.
Now we chop it?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want it finely chopped or roughly chopped?
Yeah.
Big pieces or small pieces?
Small pieces, please. Oh.
In your house, you cook yourself?
Yeah, I like to cook. I'm trying for a few times a week. Obviously, it's easier to buy Vietnamese street food than to cook sometimes. But yeah, when I can, when I have time, I'll go to my vegetable lady in the market. Lovely beef here. I'm not sure what cut of beef it is. Do you know Thai?
Yeah, I don't know. So we don't need that. We will just prepare it.
Okay.
Mix this here with some garlic, and we will leave it for 10 minutes. Yep. Okay. That's perfect.
Okay, so what else will be going into this when we cook?
Nothing. Oil.
If it's not, we can put on fake smiles.
Maybe. I show you how to cook it today, and when you do it, you make it better than me. I will be your Vietnamese guest.
Yeah. Next time.
Next time. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so.
Okay, now we start.
Okay.
Set to medium fire first to make the pan hot.
Yeah.
Make it hot, then we will put some vegetable cooking oil on the pan, then on the pan or in the pan?
In the pan.
In the pan.
How much oil do you want?
Okay, let's just slowly.
Tell me you want to start.
More. Stop.
A generous helping of oil. Okay, so what goes first? Beef first?
There you go then. So you need some oil. I think this is okay.
Is this okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, maybe.
Garlic and you fry it until you smell it.
Can you smell it?
I can smell it.
Okay.
And it got a little bit brown, but not too brown. Okay, then now we will put morning or Let it for 15 seconds.
15 seconds?
15. Then turn it over. We need some more oil.
More oil?
Yep. That's right. Okay. Yesterday I tried to cook this dish like a real person.
Yeah. How did it go?
And I cook it with olive oil, but it doesn't taste very Vietnamese. So you have to cook it with
Italians and fusion food. So this is almost finished. This is what I was expecting when I went to Bali. Lots of meat and some morning glory. A little sprinkle of pepper.
Yeah, pepper. Oh, look amazing. Guys,
Nice.
come over here, please.
Quick meal. Okay, yeah. So here we have our morning glory with beef. Quite a lot of beef. It's nice quick meal to make. Hopefully it will be nice and tasty. Let's try some.
Alright. See you in the next video. We're going to have a small party now. Ta-da!
Yeah. Bye.
Bye-bye. There's a notice that because we are just university students, so we are not really a good cook, just home cook. So some of our recipe is not very traditional. We hope that if you have a better recipe, you would like to share with us. Thank you.
Bam! Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys like it. And if you don't want to miss any other episode, please subscribe us somewhere in the screen, I don't know. And please, if you want any other Vietnamese dishes, please let us know in the comment below, and we will cook it in the next video. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, how did you feel?
Hungry. Oh yeah.
TH. Top.
GH.
G.
TOUGH.
Episode. Episode.
Có âm chờ đằng sau âm quần.
Episode.
Teamwork is to provide